Bonjour, everyone. We're going to talk about foreign exchange rates. First of all, how are foreign exchange rates determined? So, for example, here in this graph, we're looking at the relationship between the United States dollars and Indian rupees. So we can exchange them, and let's say that in year one, there are 60 Indian rupees that you can exchange for $1. Now that can change over time. So if we take, for example, in the graph on the left, if the demand for dollars, let's say this is the quantity of dollars, if the demand for dollars increases, as you can see in this graph, so we go from D1 to D2, we will notice that the equilibrium will increase, and that will make the exchange rate $1 becomes 70 Indian rupees. So all of a sudden, people are, if they're exchanging this in the foreign exchange markets, they're getting 70 Indian rupees for $1. So we say that the value of the dollar here has increased, or the value of the dollar has appreciated. In the graph on the right, we can see another reason why the dollar has increased in value. You can also shift the supply curve to the left. So if there's a lower supply of dollars, then the value of the dollar will increase as well. As you can see, that equilibrium is here now. And so in this case, we can also get to an exchange rate of $1 equals 70 Indian rupees. So how do fluctuating exchange rates affect the prices of imports and exports? Let's take a look at this example. It says here that the United States business buys one diamond ring from a jeweler in India, and the ring is 60,000 rupees. How much will the United States business need to pay in year one, and then calculate it also for year two? The price of the ring in rupees, 60,000 rupees, is the same in both year one and year two. So let's figure out how to do this one. By the way, the choices are, of course, in blue. And if you want to pause the video at this point to figure out the answer on your own, you can do that right now. Okay, so let's figure out first the price of the ring in dollars in year one. So the ring is 60,000 rupees. So that's what the United States business has to pay. But when it exchanges the rupees in dollars, it gets 60 rupees for $1. So we're going to put that here. So this is going to be how much it is going to be in dollars. So 60,000 divided by 60 is equal to $1,000. So that is going to, so now we already know the answer. It's going to be B. But let's just verify that the answer is in year two is $857.14. So this is in year one. Now in year two, the price of the ring is still the same, so it's still going to be 60,000. But now the person doing the exchanging is getting 70 rupees, so the value of the dollar is increased. 60,000 divided by 70 is indeed 857.14. So the answer indeed is choice B. From this example, we can see that if the dollar value increases, it went from 60 to 70 rupees, that it became cheaper to buy the ring from the jeweler in India. So in general, when a currency of a country increases in value, it makes the products that it buys from other countries, in other words, the imports, cheaper for that country. Conversely, if the value goes down of a currency, then imports, goods that countries buy from other countries, become more expensive. In terms of exports, you can say that if the currency value goes up, exports become more expensive. So in other words, United States goods that we sell, let's say if we sold something to India, then they become more expensive if our currency value goes up. If the currency value goes down, then our products that other countries buy from us, our exports, become cheaper. Some countries try to purposely make their currency go down. They try to, for example, sell a lot of their currency in the open market, in the currency exchange markets, to make their currency go down in order to make their exports cheaper. It's trying to stimulate its exports industry.